Birds wake us up with their chirping in the morning. Birds tell us how good is our environment and the surrounding we live in. Just count how many different birds you saw today. Chances are kites, pigeons, crows, and a few mynas are all you will come across. India is home to 1200 species of birds, but where have the birds gone? The birds are telling us that our cities are getting difficult to live in. There are less trees, bushes, gardens, and green spaces, which is leading to less space for living and food. Birds help in pollination of plants. Birds help in seed dispersal and also in keeping the population of the vermins in check. Some birds like vulture and kites help in cleaning our living space of dead animals, which if left unattended will decay and pollute the air, causing disease. Birds are known to be excellent pastime as they keep you entertained with their antics.